Welcome to Feeler. Let's explore the VMX-1020 Vertical Machining Center. The machine's key feature is direct drive spindle, minimizing vibration and heat during machining, resulting in increased surface finishing quality. Moreover, the machine achieves a 20% increase in spindle speed and a 6% higher torque, enhancing removal rates and productivity. VMX-1020 adopts an integrated spindle head and a reinforced A-shaped structure at the column base. Finite element analysis ensures precision and reliability in high-speed machining. Linear guideway on 3 axes enable fast, precise machining with reduced friction, heat, and structural deformation, enhancing overall rigidity. A large curved window aids machining process viewing and cleaning, while stainless steel at the machine's base improves scratch resistance and safety. We enhanced the interior's inclination and added more coolant flushing devices on the side, significantly improving chip removal speed and quantity. For removing large amount of chips, double chip screws can be installed. The machine has a large side window for operators to observe machining and supports automation. In the mold industry, our 3rd generation VMX outperforms the 2nd generation with higher spindle speed, improved efficiency surface finish, shorter cycle time, and boosted productivity. At the machine's back, a guard covered the oil circuits, improving safety and aesthetics. Inside the electrical cabinet, automotive-grade rubber strips create an oil and dust-proof environment, and external quick-change plugs with rubber seals enhance dust-proofing. Thank you for watching. If you would like more information about the VMX-1020, please contact us or visit our website.